Welcome back to my channel. It's Toast and King, and it's Vlogmas Day 4.
Well, it's real good seeing y'all here. As you know, we are going to put on the Christmas play. Due to the shortage of time, we'll get right down to work. One of the first things to ensure...
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are a he.
Guys, I hope you guys are having a good morning so far, or good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you're watching this from. I just woke up like an hour and a half ago. I had to attend like a couple of my classes before I could vlog for you guys, because I actually have to be, attentive and focused in that class. So now I have gym, so I'm gonna go work out. But after that, I'm going to make some food. I don't know what. I'm probably just gonna eat cereal or something. But I already took a shower yesterday night, so I'm gonna be taking one again this night. And yeah, I don't have anything really exciting going on. I feel like I say that in every vlog, but I truly don't have anything exciting going on. Sometimes things be popping up and we're like, okay, I can vlog this or whatever. But just know that if something does come up, I will bring you guys along. You guys saw a little bit of my morning routine in the beginning of this video. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that is it. I'll get back to you guys when something eventful is happening. Ciao. Okay guys, so I just got a package. I'm pretty sure this is my hair. I ordered VLOGMAS off of Amazon because I'm getting my hair done. Well, I was planning on getting it done next week because the package said it was coming December 12th, and it's December 4th. It's December 4th, and I was gonna order like pay extra shipping for it to come like sooner, so I can get my hair done faster or as soon as possible, because my best friend's birthday is next week. And Layla, if you're watching this, I didn't totally forget, but like when I was scheduling my hair appointment, I didn't think about it. So that's why I was like, oh, maybe I should pay for extra shipping so it can come faster, so I can have my hair done sooner, just because of her. But thank God he said no, I'm just gonna get this here on time for you, and it is currently December 4th. So I just texted her to see if she can come maybe this week, or maybe this weekend, or earlier this week, to see if she can get it done for me. So this is it. This is the package. I'm just gonna use my nails because literally deep. I think I need to get to this. Hold on. Okay, we're back. So let's just open this up. Super basic Amazon tape, so it doesn't get damaged, even though sometimes this stuff will be coming in damaged. It's just like, bro, what is going on? Okay. Freaking. Sometimes I truly do hate ordering stuff offline. So I got this color. Can I open it? Yeah. I got this color here. Oh, it's not. It's curlier than I expected, more curly than I expected it to be. This is the I think it's 18 inch. Pretty sure it's an 18 inch. Yep, 18 inch. I thought it wasn't not gonna be this curly. Cause I didn't want it to be as curly. Okay, you guys get a look. I didn't want it to be as curly, but you know what? It's okay. But yeah, this is how the hair is looking. There's 6 of these, so it should be fine, right? I've never had, and they're pretty small. Like, I thought they were gonna be chunkier. Let's pray I look good, honestly. Like, I've been wanting this hairstyle for a minute, but I don't know. Never got it. Never got it. But 6, so this should be. Oh, and it said, oh, how nice. It said it came with the gift, so I'm guessing this is the gift. Even though I have one of these already, but it came with a gift, and it came with. It came with these. I don't know if you guys can see, but it came with these. I always used to literally be obsessed with these. I always told my mom, like, can you please get one? They could at least put it in a little baggie. They did not have to toss it in like this, but they gave me 2 for $6. So nice. I got this color. I thought it was going to be a little bit lighter, but I'm glad it's this light because I didn't want it to be too light. And I pray this is all I need. Truly do pray. Yeah. Oh, that's good. That's the end of today's Vlogmas video. I know it wasn't a lot of exciting things I did, but you know what? Not every day is going to be exciting. I'm pretty sure in other vlogs and future vlogs, there'll be more events happening. But I'm pretty sure for the first couple days of Vlogmas, it's not going to be that fun. I promise you guys, I'm going to try my best to make sure these vlogs come out on time. And, you know, have the best quality. And, you know, just good content in the video overall. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And, yeah, stay tuned. Bye.